This is Mark Montross at Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 129 Middle Road in Swanton. We're here to view this fantastic home. Let's go ahead and take a look around the outside, and then we'll go ahead and peek around the inside. So as you can see here, we've got a nice area, very quiet. You're also very close to getting into St. Albans, so you've got a lot of nice factors there. With this property as well, you're going to notice that you've got a very nice raised ranch, and you've got off to the side here, check out this garage. You've got a huge 2-bay, and it also has upstairs an extra room that you could use for storage space. And as you can see here, you've got plenty of land, so if you like to garden or do other things, definitely a great place to come and check out. You can also see here too, you've got a nice deck that goes up top. Over to the side, you can also see that we've got space here for storage, so that's always nice. Just going to give you a view around here, and then we're going to go over the back of the front again. What's great too is that you've got plenty of space for parking. You've got a parking space here, and of course off to the side, you've got plenty of parking for, gosh, I'd say at least 7-8 cars. So now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and check in the inside. So when you come upstairs, here we have the living room. And you can see you've got a great open floor plan. I love the big window in the front. Gives you a great sense of natural lighting. Absolutely love it. And then we're going to pan around, and you can see here that we've got a big open floor plan. I love how it feeds into the dining room area. Let's go ahead and take a look closer here. Of course, you've got a door that goes off onto the back deck, into the backyard. But go ahead and take a look here as well. Nice open kitchen area. Love the center island. Great for informal dining or if you like to entertain. Great spot. The other thing too is that I love the pass-through that goes through the wall, and it really does a nice job of opening up the area. Let's go ahead and go down further. To your right is going to be your coat closet. Could be used as a pantry as well. And to your left, we're going to have the first bathroom. I love it too because you've got a full jetted tub, which is great. Come home, relax after a long day. Now we're going to come into up here, and you can see as well, you've got a great spot if you want an office or if you want to make it into a bedroom. And of course over here, we're going to have one of the bedrooms. Love it too, you've got the double windows. Really does a great job of making it feel light and bright and cheerful. And then we have the second bedroom, and again, very bright, cheerful, plenty of space. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the lower level of the house. We are at the lower part of the house. What I love about this too is that you got an area you could use for a kitchen. If you have guests come over, looking to do other things, this might be a beautiful spot for some opportunities. If you come through here, you can see that off to the right, we've got the full bathroom, which is always a nice feature, especially when you have 2 additional bedrooms down here. As you can see, the washer and dryer. Love how much space that this property has to offer. And then of course, we're gonna come over and we're gonna find that we've got another area here too for a bedroom. This is great. And then of course, off to the side, you can see we've got another area for storage. This home really does have it all. It's a very nice property, but we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and take a look out in the garage. So here we are inside the garage. As you can see, you've got the 2 doors on the front. Definitely a great space for someone looking to store a bunch of items, or someone likes to work as a mechanic, woodworker. There's definitely a whole bunch of possibilities. And of course, there's more space upstairs. let's go ahead and take a look. There's a room above the garage, and as you can see here, you've got plenty of space for storage. Could make it into a game room, extra entertainment area, a whole bunch of possibilities. This is 129 Middle Road in Swanton. If you'd like to take a tour, give us a call today at 802-658-3210 or visit our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. Look forward to hearing from you.